over here. Okay. That incredible display that we've been seeing behind you is available at a ridiculous price. This is called StarTastic. You know, a version of this comes out each year. I've never seen one at this price at $19.95, and what you're gonna get is the easiest decor of all time. This is the first airing on HSN. It has not been on, it's the launch here for us at HSN. And you wanna talk about easy? All you do is turn it on. And then you put one of the little lenses in, and it will dance and party all over your house or your garage with absolutely no setup. You don't ever have to get on a ladder. You don't have to worry about, you know, running 30 different cords and worrying about blowing your fuses and all the rest of the things. And built into this, you are gonna get several different designs. Yes, you get some for festive holiday, but you also get some for the Halloween holiday. You get them for New Year's. Never been easier. And all you do is put it out in the yard. It is weatherproof, so don't worry about that. $19.95. Here's some of the different scenes that you can see. Look at the pumpkin, haunted house, skulls. Look at that's some of the Halloween ones. Here are the festive holiday ones. You got trees and it looks like, is that a snowman or a gingerbread man? I think it's a gingerbread man. Ornaments, lots and lots of fun. And then finally you get some New Year's ones too. There's some snow. All these are included. You don't have to buy any extra slides. Chad, unbelievable price and unbelievable performance, and anybody, and I mean anybody, can decorate their home throughout the holidays.
Well, this is the point of it. I mean, yeah, this is a technology that came out last year. It's that motion holiday laser projector is something we've seen before, but never at this price. And here's the thing. It really saves you from getting on a ladder and having to climb and hang those Christmas lights up on the eaves of your home or anything like that. I've even had a couple people tell me they'd use things like this for their Christmas tree. So they use it inside because not only do you get the stakes, you can stake it into the ground. Inside your box is going to be this. It's going to be folded up like that. It's a tripod. So you can now bring it into your house, stake it into that tripod, and you have a projector, a motion projector, a 3D projector for in your house. You're going to get a little pack like this of 12 different slides. I open them up, you get 12 different sceneries. That's that 5 Christmas, that 5 Halloween, 1 snowflake, 1 New Year's, and of course you get the cord. And so how does it work? What do? It has a little card slot right here on the side. See what I just pulled it right off the side. And then every time you want to change, you just open up, you take the slide out, you grab a new slide, you put a new slide in, and you close it, and you just slide it back in. That's all you have to do each and every time. The little slides have the clear little cutouts of the, you can see that right there, yeah. The clear little cutouts where the laser lights, the motion lights, they come out through there. That's a great B-roll we're showing right there. And you'll notice on some of these homes, if they're awfully long or awfully wide, you're gonna wanna pick up 2. Because the more, this is just like the glitter candles we just had, the more you pick up, the better it's going to look. You can't have enough motion projectors, you can't have enough glitter candles, because lighting changes everything, guy. Yeah. It just changes everything. And here's the thing, Guy, that the one thing about HSN and Christmas in July, it's a preview of the trends for this year. It's not clearance of last year. Right. This is what we're launching. I mean, we haven't launched this anywhere else. This is the first look of the StarTastic holiday sceneries. These images you're seeing on your screen, that's what's coming up in 2020 Christmas, not what we were clearancing from 2019 Christmas. Right. So it is really spectacular. Yeah, it's brand new. So you're getting a sneak peek at it. And you know what I love too, Chad, is that it's not just for Christmas, it goes throughout the season. You know, if you love, let me just tell you this, I am a huge Halloween fan. I always decorate my house up for Halloween. I think it's a blast. I love to scare the children, you know, in a good way. It's fun, right? We all have fun. And this is a real fun and safe way to be able to do it. And it's not so spooky, scary, or creepy or anything. You can jazz it up if you want. And, you know, and put dead bodies around your house or, you know, fake ones. A lot of people love to do that. So you know what I'm talking about, the dummies and all that. You know, people do that. But it's a great way to start. And I love the fact, too, Chad,
Chad, that like my mom who's in her 80s can still have decor outside. You know, normally, you know, my mom would never be getting on a ladder. She would never be setting lights up outside. She's on a walker. She can't do that stuff. So it makes life so much easier to be able to just put something on the ground and plug it in. And then you've got instant decor. And Chad, once you buy this, you don't really need anything else. I mean, when you think about it, right? You don't, everything comes with it. All the slides are included. You need power, so you just plug it in. It comes with the little stand, right, Chad? So all I got to do is what? Just put this in the yard?
Yeah, you can either stake it right into the grass, or you can use the tripod that we're giving you included.
Yeah.
And you're in complete control the whole time, right? So you're going to use this for months and months because we give you the 5 Halloween, so you can maybe start in October. You have the snowflakes, you have the Christmas, you have the New Year's. So you're going to have plenty of months to use this. Okay, but here's the thing. Here's why you're in complete control. There's a button on the top. It's a little hard to see because it's black on black on black, right? So there's a button on the top. When you hit that button the first time, it turns on, and it's a faster motion. You hit the button again, it slows it down. I have the slower going behind me just because we're on Skype and things like that.
Yeah.
And I want it to the computer be able to catch up because of internet speed. And then if you push it again, it completely stops. So if you just stay right there, if you stay with me, I'm going to hit the button. It's off to the side because I wanted to be able to, hang on 1 second. So that's the slow, okay? Now watch what happens when I hit the button again. It completely stops the designs. And you can see the Santa sleigh, the ornaments, the tree. I can turn it again. It's off. Now watch what happens when I hit it. That's the fast.
Yeah.
And this is very close to my wall. The closer you have it to the wall, or the closer you have it to the Christmas tree or the house, the smaller the images are. The further you pull it back, the bigger they're going to be. But that's the fast. I hit the button again. It slows down. And then if I hit it a third time, I can completely stop the images from motion around, okay? But I want to show you one more thing. Because we give you 12 slides, I know I'm not in the picture, but watch this. I'm going to pull the slide out. Now the slide is gone, and now I have the slide right here in my hand. What happened was there's no design in there, which means I'm only getting that beautiful glow of the lights coming through without the designs. So if you're having a holiday party or a birthday party or just some sort of celebration and the designs don't work for what you want to do, you can still have that karaoke party glow that you would pay $40, $50, $60 for one of those karaoke lights. I just created my own right here in my home. I mean, it's pretty brilliant what we've been able to do with this technology.
It's the best, I'll tell you, it's the best $20 you spend for anything decor. It really is easy, and remember, it's meant for outside. You can do it inside too. It doesn't really matter, but it has the ability to be outdoors or indoors. And all you do is plug in one of the little scenes. And I love it on a garage. I think because if you only want to get one, it's really great to do it on the front of your garage door if you're doing a Halloween party. Or Halloween, you're just having kids coming by at Halloween, which, you know, Halloween will be one of those sort of holidays we get to enjoy because the kids will probably be wearing masks anyway of some sort. Hopefully they'll have their mask underneath. But, you know, they'll be in a safe area and social distancing, and they'll be able to enjoy, and you're going to really want to, you're going to be itching to have you know, some kind of a demonstrative party by then. So you can start with Halloween. And then, as Chad said, you go right through the year. So you have the wonderful festive holiday time, and then you got New Year's. And then if you just want to use the lights without any lenses, just to kind of create that superstar effect on your house, like if you're having a get-together, Lord knows when this ends, and it will eventually end, we will be back to enjoying and wanting to. Let me tell you, everybody on the planet should have one of these when this is all behind us to celebrate and to be able to enjoy. But I just love it because even if you're just celebrating at your home, as a lot of us are doing, this is a way to make our home look and be more fun for us and be more fun for the kids. For the little ones, you know, that you know, a lot of kids are getting shut out of their graduations and their school activities. It's another thing you could do. And for $20, Chad, I mean, great deal. And remember, and thank you for bringing it up, this is what we're going to be featuring when holiday comes. You're just getting a sneak peek. This is not a closeout from last year. It's a brand new item, all new slides, and literally transform your property and make it look holiday or festive in about a minute. That's how long it would take to plug it in. I mean, literally, and set it up.
And And my whole family, I mean, I've sent these to everybody as I was able to get my hands on some inventory earlier, because I don't want my grandparents or even my parents to be climbing a ladder and hanging Christmas lights on the eaves of their home to what? Take them back down in 60 days. It becomes sort of exhausting sometimes to decorate for Christmas. It happens to me. I'm sure it happens to you. I can relate to that. Or even just to decorate your Christmas tree or inside your home. This is that easy, no maintenance way to decorate, to get that. You want to be the talk of the neighborhood, the block. I mean, if you want neighbors to envy what you have in your home, you know that having some technology I mean, Christmas lights have been around a long time, right? But when you add a little bit of technology, and you've seen a lot in this hour, to your yard, that's what the neighbors talk about. That's what everybody wants to do. They think it costs a fortune for a motion projector to like you had an electrician come out and install it into your yard and run the wiring. And that's not the case. All you need is one plug. We give you everything that you need. We give you the tripod. We give you the stake. We give you the 12 different slides that give you 4 designs each. That, again, that's 5 of the Christmas, so all kinds of different holiday Christmassy ones, gingerbread men, stockings, Christmas trees. We give you the 5 Halloween that you're going to get started with, probably the haunted house, the witch, the pumpkin, things like that. We're also going to give you 1 New Year slide and then 1 snowflake. So the snowflake will last you the whole winter, of course, but don't forget that without hanging Christmas lights, you're not only saving time, you're saving a lot of cash, a lot of money here, because lights can be quite expensive. And then if you take that slide out, you not only have a karaoke light, but you have a light for every birthday party, every celebration. But at the end of the day, now's your chance to jump in on something that's going to be hot for this Christmas coming up. And what Guy has is all we have. So when you see us in Christmas of 2020, this might not even be around then. So just like our glitter candles and our projectors, here's what I'm going to suggest as somebody who sees a lot of product come into the network, right? You need to buy more than one. You need to buy 2 or 3 because Guy, Shannon Smith, I have her tonight at 8 o'clock. She was telling me that everyone has till the end of January or something to return it. I mean, 6 months, guys. 6 months.
Yep.
I mean,
we're doing it for our whole 3 hours. We're doing extended returns on which means you can drop it off at the end of January, which none of you will do because it's $19.95, and as soon as you turn it on, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, how is this not $100? Because it's the coolest thing ever, and it gives, you know what it does? It sets you apart. It's like, look at those folks at the end of the corner down the street there. Look at them. They've got holiday spirit. They've got the Halloween spirit. It's just something that's uplifting. And look at it. This is all it takes. You take it out, you put it in the yard or put it on the driveway. You actually can stake it in right into the ground. I won't pull this out, but this comes out and you can stick it right in the ground. And that's all you gotta do is turn it on, take a slide, you pop a slide in, that's all you do, and then just let it go and enjoy it and have fun. And remember, that the farther back you are, the bigger the design will be. So you just have to decide, how you wanna fit it on a garage, or if you wanna do it on the whole house. But please listen to my friend Chad. At this price, get 2, because here's what'll happen. You'll put it on the garage and you'll be like, oh, I wish we had one for the house too. You're gonna want more than one. And I know, as Chad said, as we get closer to holiday, I don't even know if we'll even have this because it's already been so popular. Between this and the candles that you just had, people are stocking up. They see a good deal, Chad, and it's a great deal.
Yeah, I mean, $20 items are my cup of tea. I mean, that's what I shop for all day long.
Yeah. Hey, well, I got you there, buddy. We want to do we're gonna recap our candles. Those were so busy and so crazy. So let me just tell you, you're gonna get 3 of these. You get a 4-inch, a 5-inch, and a 6-inch. I'll let Chad talk about them for 30 seconds. Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, so the glitter candles, Bell & Howell, another great company we love, over 100 years. The glitter candles really have that sort of 5D look to them, that new technology, where they're glowing not only from the top, they're glowing from the sides, but there's a switch on the bottom that allow it to go from that flickering white amber normal candlelight to color changing, where they morph between 6, 7, or 8 different colors, just giving you that natural glow. But what separates us from everything else, Guy, is that they're not gonna melt. They're not wax. There's no open flame. They're also not that mercury glass, even though they look like it. They're a hard, durable plastic,
Beautiful.
so you don't have to worry about the kids dropping them. They're perfect.
Love them. And you get 3, only $19.95. Buy as many as you want. Chad Allen, you're awesome. Thanks, buddy. We'll see you again soon. See you, pal. Stick around. Our best value of the day coming your way next.